Hey guys, Margot from Ronnie Margot Resinard. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new here, relax, take off your shoes, and kick up your feet. Let's make something real simple, like real. No tumbler is simple, but let's make a simple tumbler. Let's just do one glitter. I know y'all, one glitter. I know. And let's do something fun on it. Let's go. This simple tumbler, we're going to use one glitter, Salsalita from Glitter Heart Co. Everything will be in the description box below. Have y'all heard the new Chloe and Chris Brown song? How y'all feel about it? It's okay. I only listened to it one time. It's not. I was expecting Chris Brown to really come with the vocals, but I didn't get that. But it's still, still, I think it's still gonna be a banger. Um, I know Chris Brown is a controversial topic. I will not saying I will always support Chris Brown, but I am a supporter of him right now. Um, Understand like people have their their woes about him because of what he did to Rihanna. But at the end of the day, if she can move on, I can move on too because it did not happen to me. So, with that being said, how often do y'all listen to instrumental music without any words? I try to do it every morning because it just gets me right. It puts me in a good place. I can eat have some tea and a cake and listen to combined music or instrumentals or lofi beats. Um do you see yourself listening to your mom's music, like the music that your mom played around the house? I do that a lot too. Um, it's just different. Like the music feels different, the feeling feels different, the frequency is different. If you did not know, music have different frequencies, and um, it just puts you in a different headspace. I'm always trying to be in a good headspace. So if you got some good playlists, let me know. Put them in the comments below. So we done glittering. This took 2 coats of epoxy. Right now we're gonna go in with this water backed water slide. Um, I got this decal from Creative Fabrica. You already know where to check for the links. All I did was do an outline and then make an outline of that outline and change the colors. Make sure you get all the water from out the back because it will bubble up when it dries if all the water is not out. If it dries and you see a bubble, take some acetone and get it off, and make sure you wipe down the tumbler. Do not sand the tumbler. The the sanded grooves behind will show up in the water slide. So just use acetone, wipe it real good, and be on about your business. And I did not seal this. Oh, I did seal it. The water slide I sealed 3 times, but I did not seal it onto the tumbler. Make sure you seal your water slides. I sealed it 3 times, and when it dried, I went to go cut it out with my Cricut, and then I placed it in the water, which is room temperature water, and placed it on the tumbler, as you're seeing now. So my goal for 2022 was to explore different genres, and I did that. Like I made and listened to some very awesome playlists. My mix has all different genres in it: hip hop, R&B, 70s funk, you know, instrumentals, lofi beats, cabana music, Mexican music, mariachi band music. It's so dynamic to where if I'm listening to something and I'll be like, the playlist probably has like 100 plus songs. So when I be playing, I'm like, dang, I forgot about this song. It's our Jimmy, da da da. But when I'm crafting, I try to listen to either like music that I know so I can like get hype. Like if it's at night, oh, I'm listening to Jeezy. Jeezy is playing, or J Cole or someone like that, or a playlist that's a hip hop playlist. But in the morning, I don't be trying to hit none of that, y'all. Give me a Habana Lounge. Give me a mellow morning. Give me a lofi morning. Give me something with no, with no give me something with no lyrics. And I'm fine with that. But right here we just using this color shifting vinyl that I got from Michaels. Make sure you seal this because this does like to pop up. It likes to not adhere. I don't know why, but just just make sure. And I did layer it. It's white. Um, and I got this decal from Creative Fabrica also. This is a printable vinyl. And after I got that down, I did do 2 coats of epoxy. And this is the finishing cup. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I did tag it with a acrylic marker.